Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shachi Kadyan. Today we are doing this look. It's a floating or you can say graphic liner makeup look. Also we'll be doing this look without foundation. So let's begin with hiding our dark circles with an orange concealer. I'm using this concealer from My Glam. I'm covering my eyelids as well for a nice eyeshadow base. Now using a wet beauty blender, just start blending it in. For concealer, I'm gonna take MILANI Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in shade Light Natural. This blends really beautifully. It's just a nice natural finish, so I really like it. Also the plus point, it is a multi-use product, can be used as both foundation and concealer. And guys, I'll link all my socials below. Do check them and follow me. Also don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And now we'll just blend it using a wet beauty blender. For eyes, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution London into Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette. I'm using shade Vitamin C for the inner eye corner. And now we will use shade Ocean Deep, applying it to the outer corner. And don't rush the blending process. Moving on with the shade Elegant on the mid area and blending it with both the shades to avoid any harsh lines, and we will be applying the same shade on the upper eyelid. Now using the same shades again for lower lash line, Vitamin C for the inner lash line corner and Ocean Deep for the outer lash line corner. And in the middle, I'm going on with the shade Model. It is a dark brown shade. For liner, using My Glam Stay Defined Liquid Eyeliner. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and link all the products that I used below, so you guys can shop everything that I used today. So don't forget to check the description box. Now using Belora Cosmetics Black Kajal, taking it on a liner brush, I am going to start applying it from my liner's wing and then going upward to my iris. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Now for lashes, I'm using L'Oreal Limited Edition Love Liberte Lash Paradise Mascara, which is their newly launched. It's my absolute favorite. I'll be showing you guys a close-up so you can really see the difference it makes. I'm taking my Glam Lip Brow Definer pencil, just straightening out my brows. Now moving on, I'm using Dr. Earth Lip and Cheek Tint in color Amorti True Red for blush. This blush is highly pigmented, that's why I'm not using any powder blush. I'm gonna add a little bit of banana powder from my glam to set it in place. Also using the same banana powder, I'm gonna set my whole face. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution London into Friends Flawless Limitless Eyeshadow Palette. It has 3 beautiful highlighters, from which I'm using shade The Ugly Naked Guy. I love this shade. I mean, just look at the glow. Now lastly for lips, I'm gonna use Benefit Cosmetics Love Tint Fiery Red. I'm gonna take the Paese Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Sultry. The lips are done. Here is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you love the graphic liner look, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon to get notified every time I post. And if you haven't liked the video yet, do like it. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.